morning, everyone. My name is Cash Ely. As you can probably tell based on the shoes, my son calls these the good luck shoes. He made me wear these shoes this morning for good luck. My name is Cash Ely, and I help make smart, profitable decisions in commercial real estate. I'm based here in Tampa. I'm married to Taylor, the social worker, not the insurance agent. I've got two great kids, Cash Jr. and Vivian, and we have a cat she runs the house. I'm the co-founder of the Ely Boyd Commercial Group, where we specialize in sales, leasing, and investment of commercial properties. My role, I'm the one people call when they're making big business decisions that involve real estate. Whether it's opening a new location, selling a commercial building, or looking to build long-term wealth through property investment. Let me break down what I actually do and how I help my clients, starting with landlord and tenant representation. Whether it's a boutique looking for retail space or a landlord with a vacancy in need of the right tenant. Buyer and seller representation. I help business owners and investors buy and sell office, retail, industrial, and land. Investment sales, I underwrite, market, and negotiate income-producing properties and help investors make data-backed decisions. Business brokerages, or business broker with property. So if someone's selling a business and there's real estate attached, I help package and position both for maximum value. At the core, I make commercial real estate simpler, smarter, and more profitable for my clients. So why do people choose me over the next guy? I communicate like a partner, no jargon, no smoke and mirrors. I move fast. In this market, timing is everything. I go beyond the deal. I'm not here just to close. I want to be your real estate person for life. I treat every transaction like it's my own money on the line. I really, really do. And clients feel that. Here's who I want to meet and how you can help me find them. Number one is business owners. A boutique owner ready to lease a storefront. A med spa needing larger space. A cigar lounge owner needing help with zoning. Also investors, someone doing a 1031 exchange. An out-of-state buyer looking for passive income. A local who wants to buy a building and stop renting. Landlords, tired of managing their own properties, sitting on vacant space, or wanting a broker who just doesn't list and pray that it sells. Residential realtors, this is a big one. Having a client needing warehouse, land, or retail space, basically anything other than residential property. That they don't do commercial, but they still want to get paid. I partner, not poach. I help them look good to their client. Now, how do you refer me? You don't need to memorize any commercial terms. Just listen for, we need more space. I'm sick of paying rent. My lease is up soon. We're opening another location. We've outgrown this spot. Do you know anyone who can sell commercial real estate? All of those are green lights to introduce me. Here's how to make the referral simple and effective. Text or group chat intro works best. Say, hey, I know someone you need to talk to. His name is Cash, he handles commercial real estate. I'll contact you. If you're not sure if it's a fit, send it anyway. I'll never make you look bad. Let me give you a few quick examples of some deals I've worked on recently to put this all together. Recently, I helped a boutique owner lease a 1,700 square foot retail space in Dade City and got them under budget. I recently sold a mixed-use commercial lot with a small business attached. Both the business and the property closed in 60 days. And I got a warehouse buyer under contract in 5 days while beating out 3 other offers. Every deal had one thing in common. Someone made a referral that started it all. My referral ask this week is, do you know a business owner, like I said before, that's expanding, downsizing, or moving in the next 12 months? Introduce us. That one connection could lead to their best financial move this year and earn you a big thank you from me. To wrap up, I'm Cash Ely, your commercial go-to real estate expert. I help businesses grow, investors win, and landlords sleep better at night. Yeah. If you remember one thing, I've turned real estate problems into profit opportunities. Thanks for your attention. I'm here to help your network, and I'd love for you to help me grow mine. Thanks.